Hi, I'm Susie Stewardson with the Summit team at You First Realty, and today we're going to talk about jumbo loans. I have an expert on the subject here with me today, Chris Holcomb with First City Mortgage. And Chris, thank you for coming in and talking to us about jumbo loans.
Thank you. Well, jumbos, really, they're as soon as a home price gets above a certain level, typically we get into this jumbo category. And jumbo loans basically are any loan that's above the conventional loan limit.
So approximately where is that at in Colorado right now?
That changes every year.
Yeah.
But depending on your county, most counties are at 647,200.
Okay, very specific.
Why the 200? But,
Yeah.
so anything above that is considered a jumbo loan. Next year, they're estimating that's going to go to 715.
Okay.
And there are some counties, like especially in the Denver counties, that have a little bit higher of a conventional limit. But sometimes the jumbo loan even makes more sense in that case than a conventional loan.
Okay.
So that's where we have to kind of play with it a little bit.
I see.
But jumbo loans are basically a portfolio loan. Each bank offers their rate and has their different rules and kind of makes everything up that they want on that loan because they're lending on their own money. So, if you're using, we have access to 10 different banks, the big banks, the lending banks, all of them, and they all have different caveats of what they want and what they allow.
But there's kind of an upper limit to these, is my understanding.
Yeah, most banks don't want to go over a $2 million loan amount. Now, there are lending options out there for those, but they're definitely going to be even more selected. Most of them,
Right.
Most banks are going to limit at that $2 million range.
Okay,
But,
very good to know.
Jumbo loans typically require 20% down. There are options with as little as 10% down. Obviously, then you got a higher interest rate, things like that. Most jumbo loans require some sort of reserves, so you can't just put all your money down. You have to have anywhere from 6 to 18 months of your mortgage payment left over, as an example. People always ask where are jumbo interest rates compared to conventional loans?
Right.
And the answer is it depends. Sometimes jumbo loans are better than conventional. Sometimes they're the same. Sometimes they're higher.
It just depends on the bank,
It
probably.
just depends on the bank and
Yeah.
the market and what their appetite is at that point. So that's where it's nice, especially if you're in that loan amount range that's close.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's, hey, let's put a little bit more down to go conventional, or let's put a little bit less to go jumbo, and kind of play with some of those categories.
Sounds like they need to call you if they want to get the updated information.
We can do the problem solving for you that way.
Very good. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.